Hello, guys. All you might have seen that in the past 10 days, I was providing the videos for free of cost. So, from now onwards, I'll be naming it as free digital marketing masterclass. So, this is going to be a 90 days program where what I am teaching to the students, those things will be uploaded on the YouTube channel. So, students who want to learn free of cost, you can learn with this channel, and where our curriculum will be in such a way that we'll start with the website designing, then we'll go to SEO, Google Ads, social media, email marketing, Google Analytics, blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. Almost all the topics we gonna cover. Okay, so students who can't afford money, you can learn from this. There is a difference anyway, learning online and learning with me directly in the classroom. But if you're not from Hyderabad, if you're from another place, it's good. You can come live and you can learn here. And I'll try to arrange a mechanism in such a way that if you have any questions as well, you can send a query to my email address or you follow me on LinkedIn, so that your doubts also clarified and you can move forward. My goal is at least to train 100 students who are remote to Hyderabad, and you should get placed. You can check my LinkedIn and Instagram as well, posting so many jobs, because there are so many jobs in digital marketing, but the skilled people are not there. So obviously, I can't train everywhere throughout India. So that's why I'm planning for this free session. So try to utilize it, and share this link with your friends so that they can also learn. Every day, 6 o'clock live will start. Every day, 6 o'clock live will start, where I'm teaching to my students the same content you can also see, and you can put your questions, and or else you can write you an email where we'll be replying back to you all the queries. Same time, you can practice as well. After 3 months, you can apply for a jobs as well. I'll be helping you in a jobs as well. Okay, and see, guys, if you are any of your friends from Hyderabad and they want to learn with us directly, they can come back to the classroom training as well. So you can see scrolling down, there is an email ID is going. So either the phone number is there, you can call or WhatsApp that number so that you can enroll for a classroom training. We also have online training where personalized Zoom session will be there, where our trainers will take care of the training. But especially this digital marketing masterclass for the remote students like Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, any place where you can learn from here. Even Hyderabad as well. If you can't reach it to me, it's good to learn. Okay. And most of my training program will be a case study. It's not like a theory. I will never show you a PPT. It's more of a practical. Starting day itself, I'll teach you how to buy domain hosting. I'll teach students to create website as well. Okay, then we'll keep on practicing on SEO and everything. Okay, I digital Kiran. I think you already learned digital marketing and you're in a process of applying for a job. If any one of your friends are looking for a digital marketing course, refer them. Every day 6 o'clock, ask them to come to my channel so that they'll be getting some kind of content. Ask them to check my previous videos as well, so it'll be good for them. So as I said, my motto is at least 200 to 300 students, train them free of cost, and give them a good employment. There are so many openings in digital marketing, but entry level salaries are very less. But if you keep on learning, you know what? 1 lakh salary is also there. 1 lakh salaries is not a big thing. Down the line, 2 years, you put a goal, you have a very good chance of getting a 1 lakhs package. I've seen many students. Just now today, I spoke to one of my student named Mehboob. He learned course with me. He worked for a 6 months. That's it. After that, he started his own real estate company. Means he was just doing a leads for the company. He was telling me how much you making, Mehboob. He is making 3 to 4 lakhs a month, because it's a real estate, sometimes ups and down, but minimum is making 2 lakhs. See, guys, from a normal 10,000 salary to 2 to 3 lakhs, this is not a miracle, man. You have a skill. With that skill, you are making money. In such a way, so many success stories are there with my students who make money. Myself, by 10 years before, I was into different industry, a BPO industry, switched to digital marketing. You don't believe I have six different ways of income now. Okay, that's possible only because of the digital marketing. And you have to be a continuous learner. It's not like a relax. Remember, you're working for one software company, you have a salary, good salary is there, but only one income. On top of that, you will not get anything. But digital marketing is not like that. My goal is to work for 10 more years. After that, whatever the work I've done till now, this should give me passive income in the future till my death. That is possible with the digital marketing. For this, what you have to choose is blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, start one company, automate it. That is also giving revenue. In such a way, so many ideas are there, man. And whatever I'm doing it, little I'll show you. I'll also do consulting. I have some US, UK, and Australian clients. So how I'm giving strategies to them, uh, those things also I'll be explaining you. That is the beauty of digital marketing. Apart from a job, you can do consulting as well. Yeah. So every day, 6 o'clock, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I don't work. I have other works. You'll be getting a free content over here. So if you know any of your friends, just share my channel so that that will help them. And I promise you, connect to me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Just type Subhash Mangalam. You will find me. I'll be helping you in jobs as well. You know what? Mostly every month, I may train 100 to 200 students in classroom. Okay, and my trainers teach around 300 people online. All of them get placed, but I have more job openings. So definitely, I need new people to help them. So that's why you people who are coming over here, learning online, I'll try to help you so that you'll also get placed. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, put me over here. I'll try to answer the questions. Any questions you have, any topics you want me to cover, let me know so that I'll try to cover those topics. No questions? Kiran, I hope you haven't learned anywhere. I think you learned from some e-learning, but make sure that you should have a practice. Without practice, cracking a job will be very tough. So definitely you should practice. Okay, even though this is a free session, I'll encourage students to practice every day. I'll be giving a task. If they finish on time, it will be good for them. Okay, see you guys tomorrow, 6 p.m. Thank you very much.